Hi, good day to all the gorgeous hearts out there. This is Asa from Creative Fairy Designs. Thank you very much for joining me. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to make our own doilies using craft punch. It's very simple, very quick, and very easy. So I'll show you quickly. So these are some mini doilies using craft paper and scrapbook paper. This is some other mini doilies. This is using the 6-inch doily punch. We have a color doily, brown doily, craft paper doily. This is using glossy paper. And now we have doilies, a shabby chic pattern doilies using the 6-inch punch. And this was done, this is just a square doily. A big doily for those who want to make the big doilies or square shaped doilies using the doily edge punch. And these are the punches we'll be using today. A 2-inch or 1.5-inch circle punch. Of course, if you don't have a circle punch, you can just measure with something circular. This is the doily edge punch. This is the 6-inch doily punch. And this is the anywhere punch. It's a magnetic punch. And of course, as we know, there are numerous ways of using doilies in junk journal. This is how I will be using the doily in my junk journal. I am just going to fold it. You can use a plain one. I think I would use a plain one. The craft paper one. Just fold it over in half. Something pretty on it. This is just an envelope, the mini envelopes that we make. And this is a cute paper clip. This is the front page, and then we have the back that we can add something later on. And this is a piece of regular cardstock because white doilies are the go-to. White doilies are regular. And this punch is a 6-inch punch. It only works with 6-inch paper. So place it straight to the edge and punch all the 4 corners. Flip it over, place it again straight to the edge, and punch the remaining 4 sides. When you are punching, you ensure that it goes straight to the edge. And there we have it. It's a perfect doily. And this is another one that I made using craft paper. And of course, you can make it using cardstock. Any color cardstock will work. This is a green cardstock. So here we have the different varieties and different ways that we can use the doily punch. And doilies and pattern doilies are very, very versatile in junk journals, scrapbooking, etc. So this paper or the scrapbooking page has been cut to the size of 6 by 6 inch. You can use up all your 6-inch by 6-inch extra scrapbooking papers, etc. Just cut it down to this size. As I mentioned, this punch, the 6-inch punch, only works with 6-inch paper. And it's the same procedure as we followed for the plain one. Ensure that it comes straight to the edge. Punch the 4 corners. Flip it over. Place it back straight onto the edge. And punch the other 4 corners. And these are the floor. These are the 4 floral pattern doilies. Now we are going to try another type of doily using a square piece of paper. This is if you want a bigger square shaped doily, and this punch is the edge punch, the doily edge punch. So to get it exact, you flip it over and you look at where your paper is being inserted. Make sure it's edge to edge. Hope you can see it there. And punch. Then place it again edge to edge so you don't cut into, and punch. And just follow along for the same procedure. And of course, the doilies can be any size. So I just made this white one using craft paper. You cut to the size that you wish, and using the same technique, place it at the edge. Look at where you had your last punch. And just continue punching. And then for any of the edges, just trim it off. And these are our tiny doilies. And this is another way to get those cute little doilies. Use up your scraps. This is regular craft paper. Making 2 circle punches. And this is scrap paper, 2 white circle punch. I believe this is like about 1.5 inch or 2 inch. You make it whatever size you wish. And this is called an anywhere punch. It's magnetic, so it claps on right in the center, and you place your paper right here, and it's an anywhere punch. Of course, you can use it for whatever purpose. I'm just using it to place it on the magnetic clasp. Wait for it to clasp and press it down. It does require a tad bit of force. Ensure it's locked in and just pull apart. And there you have your tiny doily. I'll do another one. Wait for it to clasp. And there you have your mini doilies. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. This is a cheap and effective way for doily making, especially if you make a lot of doilies like myself. Thank you for watching.